since we have 2.5 million people in prison, and since I'm an activist in the area, the model that prisons currently have is all punishment, period. So we have correctional officers that are assigned to read our emails that we send out. We have correctional officers that are assigned to listen to our phone calls with the goal of being, what can we catch you saying or doing that gives us an opportunity to take away the few privileges you have, such as visitation, mail, phone. There's no people in 5,000 prisons and jails, and in over 5,000 prisons, jails, and detention centers, there are no voice of social workers or people that will have the compassion, the commitment to making sure people aren't oppressed. The values that social workers have are not at all in the 5,000 prisons or jails or the detention centers in the United States. So when you get some people coming in either for education or social workers coming in to talk to you, they're only really seeing 5 to 10 people out of a prison that may have 1,000 to 2,000. So there's minimal help. What you'll hear me say in my talk is we have to replace punitive corrections officers with social workers. The people inside prison need exactly what you can provide. They need help. Whether you committed a crime or didn't commit a crime, whether it was violent or whether it was nonviolent, our lives are forever changed at the moment of our arrest, and it's very damaged when we're in conditions of confinement and we're under tremendous stress. So the question in America is prison for punishment or is prison for rehab? Because if prison's for rehab, which we need to make it, then we need social workers to help people who need help, not to destroy people more so that when 95% of the people who are incarcerated return to communities, you're going to have 95% of the people looking behind their back, having trauma that they didn't need to have. So it's in desperate need of a makeover from punitive to rehab, and social workers need to be the staff, not corrections officers.